In this video, we are going to look at Interexchange Carrier support, a rarely used feature of outbound routes. This feature allows a reseller to prefix a phone number on an outbound call and then pause before the number originally dialed is played back in DTMF tones. For example, let's say that I would like to use 10-10-555 as an interexchange carrier. I could set up a long-distance outbound route, then enter 10-10-555 www as a prefix. At this point, you're probably asking yourself why the W's were entered. Entering a W will do two things. First, each W represents a 0.5 second pause after the preceding digits are dialed, in this case 10-10-555. Second, after the pause, the original number will be dialed as DTMF tones. Ideally, the interexchange carrier has picked up the call and is ready to accept the DTMF tones. An actual deployment testing will be needed to be done to see how quickly the interexchange carrier answers the call and is ready to accept the DTMF tones. Any number of W's can be entered after the interexchange carrier's number. Please note that this feature might not be supported with all SIP trunk providers. We thank you for taking a quick look at the interexchange carrier support offered by Voiceware. Don't forget to check out the other videos in Voiceware's Tips and Tricks series available on our YouTube channel.